Okay, this is your puppy mark right here. And their nails are really sharp because one of them just scratched me and I'm bleeding. Huh. So let's sit you down here and follow ya so he can see ya. Huh. Huh. Huh, buddy. So you guys are eating moistened dog food now, huh? And you got sharp teethies. Yes, you do. Huh, so you got sharp teethies. Huh, where you going? Huh, where you going? Huh? Where you going? So I'm going to clip all Jens's toenails again. Yes, I am. You want to get your toenails clipped? Huh? Say no, because look what Jens did to my arm. You have me bleeding. Yes, you do. You have me bleeding. Yes. Yes, you do. So now you're in the middle of the pack. Huh? So now you're in the middle of the pack. Huh? Say hi to Daddy. Huh? You want to say hi to Daddy? Huh? Say hi, Daddy. Huh? Say hi. Say hello. Yeah, say hello. So see, here I am. There you go. Hey, puppies. Hey, puppies.